Hey, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Time for another retro gameplay video. This week we're going to be playing Gilbert. Some of you might remember him, some of you might not. He was sort of late 80s, early 90s, Saturday morning TV kind of puppet. We will go into the history of Gilbert first and then we'll play the game. So stick around. In the summer from 1986 to 1988, ITV had a live Saturday morning children's TV show called Get Fresh. It featured Charlotte Hindle, daughter of Madge Hindle, who played Rennie Bradshaw in Corrie, for any of you that follow the soaps. Not my cup of tea, I'll be honest.
Where's Hilda? The tea's here. Oh, she's in lab.
Hilda, tea up!
Man.
And Gareth Jones, aka Gaz Top, who back in the day had a mullet that would make Bono blush. You might recognise Gareth Jones, he's been in a few things, including How To with Carol Vorderman and Fred Dinage. Dinage, is that how you say it? Dinage? I don't know. And lastly, this rather disgusting bogey-looking alien puppet, Gilbert.
It's rock and roll.
Oh, you're so snotty, do you know what I mean?
That's one of my endearing corkers.
Who for a very little while was a very big deal, contending with the likes of Roland Rat, Basil Brush, Ed the Duck and Gordon the Gopher. He was created by Phil Cornwell and operated by John Eccleston. He also had another show in 1989 called Gilbert's Fridge, and in 1990 had his own late show called Gilbert's Late.
It's Thursday, it's 7:30, it's Newcastle, it's Gilbert! Oh yeah!
He even had his own Marvel comic? Wonder if Disney were able to acquire the rights to that. Now I've hopefully jogged your memory on who Gilbert is, I'm obviously here to tell you about his computer game. On the Commodore 64, Gilbert Escape from Drill. Nose at the ready. If you haven't guessed, I'm firing snot from my face as a projectile weapon. Not much to say about the game so far, just running into rooms, seems to be in a bar, shooting snot. There's an arcade machine over here. Oh, you get to play it! Match the pairs. Enter coin. Oh, one of these, is it? They all look the same to me. I think it did, if it's in order. No, okay. Oh, I've got. I'm playing against someone as well. 9. X. What's that? I don't know. 8. Oh, there was an 8 over here. Oh. Ah. I think it might have been this one. Ah, that's 9. Bummer. Right, well I definitely saw him do the X, and then the X was down here. Yeah. Oh, now he's got one. Hold on. That's a bit of a coincidence, isn't it? Oh, did I see that over here? I did. Every time I get one, he gets one. That's He's gonna get one. Oh no, he didn't. 9. 3. Oh, what's this one? 9. And 9. Good. You lose 1 hour from your time. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a watch there with 22 hours. I'm not going to have to play that long, am I? These just respawn until the end of the time. I think they do, don't they? I'm going to go this way. Oh, what the hell is that? Like a big clitoris. I'm going up here. Oh, I can't go up there. Okay. It's like a Space Invaders type thing, isn't it? The way they move. Do I get to... Do I get anything if I kill them all? Or get to level 2? Or... Come on. Come on, Snotty. The music's not too bad. Oh, the firing's a bit frustrating. It's not really getting them. Got ya. What's that? Oh, got something then. I think I do have a health bar, but it's just a very big one. I think it's those green balls there. Come here! Where are you going? Okay, don't think I got anything different there. Just going back this way. Oh, I can go up. Does this just go on forever? This is another one of those games where it's like, where do you go? What's the goal here? What way am I supposed to be going? Oh, there's another bar. More Space Invader kind of villains. These ones seem to be respawning. Oh. Got 2 cans. Don't know what that means, but they look like little cans of Coke. Didn't get anything that time. Save the sprouts. Oh yeah, it is like a... Oh no, it's like it's different to Space Invaders because I've got a bottom one and a side one. A bit confusing actually. I always see the little Brussels sprouts running around. Yeah, okay. I've got to try and rescue them from these... I don't know what they are. Scary green and red guys. Little red prawn devil and some green demon ghost. I don't know what it is. You lose. Well, I lose at that as well. I suck, don't I? Okay. So from what I can gather, this is like you have 24 hours to save the world or something like that, but it's called Escape from Drill, so I'm trying to escape? I don't know. I've got 24 hours to escape. I like the idea of the mini games. That's quite cool. These guys are a bit weird. It's all a bit weird, isn't it? Really. I mean, look at the main character. All right. It's I'm not dying a lot, so I guess that's something. Just don't quite know what I'm doing. Right, okay, I've filled up all my little slots here. I've got 3 cans of Coke and a bit of cake or something. I don't know what that is. I don't know what any of it means. I don't know what it means. There's an arcade machine there. It's Earth Invaders. Right, this is definitely Space Invaders. In space, no one can hear you squelch. Okay, oh, that's why I'm one of those clitoris things. Pretty weird. I'm shooting people. Oh, I guess the people are aliens, aren't they? Because isn't Gilbert's an alien, so I guess in his world. Oh, come on. And that na music doesn't. Oh, Brittany Biscuit. Another double dunk. Time for another double dunker, I think. Can you pause it? You can. Pause it and have a double dunk. They really freak me out, these guys. Like Mr. Blobby on, like, with STDs or something. I don't know if these characters in this game are, if they were in the Saturday night. I mean, if they were in the Saturday morning thing with him. No, hey, I wanted to go in that gift shop. I don't know if I've got any money. Maybe I can use these cans of Cokes and cakes or something to trade. I don't know. It's like Sebastian from Little Mermaid on the bar there. Can I? How do I buy something then from the gift shop? I'm sure I can. So the general gist of the game is you wander around from these different rooms. The disease, Mr. Blobby's and Space Invader aliens and bats and spiders and stuff. And you shoot them with the snot, although it doesn't seem to do anything to those weird pink clitoris blobby things. And you go into bars and play mini games on the arcade machines for some reason. I don't know how that helps you escape the planet, but your main goal is to get out of this planet that Gilbert's had enough of. And that's it basically. You get a time limit on the mini games that you play, which is a bit slim, doesn't give you a lot of time. I don't think there's much else I can show you. Oh god, I hate being chased by these things. They're so weird. So, what do you think? What do you think of the game? Have you played the game? Do you remember Gilbert? Do you remember him at all? Because a lot of people I talk to, they don't really remember him. Because I don't think he was one of the most successful children's television characters. And you can kind of see why. He's pretty gross. I mean, actually, I guess little boys would love that. They would find it hilarious, wouldn't they? Snot bogies and all that kind of stuff. They love that stuff, right? Maybe not so much with the girls. I don't know. Maybe I'm being un-PC and sexist in 2019, who knows. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments what you think, what you'd like to see, what you'd like, what you didn't like. Hope you have a great day. It's Commodore 64, signing off.